Ever found yourself asking, who can I trust to handle my home repair and remodeling needs? Well, the answer is here, AboveBoard Home Services. Right in the heart of Collin County, they've been the solution to countless homeowners within a 25-mile radius of McKinney. Don't just take our word for it. Hear it from Linda, a satisfied customer, who raves, AboveBoard Home Services is the epitome of professionalism. Their pricing is reasonable, and the quality of work is top-notch. Or John, another happy client, who applauds the company for its owner's hands-on approach, saying, I love that the owner personally answers all calls and performs all work himself except when the job calls for a team. It shows they genuinely care about their customers. AboveBoard Home Services offers a range of services, from minor repairs to major remodels. They are backed by over 20 years of professional experience, ensuring that your home is in capable and experienced hands. What's more, they offer a 1-year warranty on labor and an impressive 30-month warranty on paint jobs. But what truly sets AboveBoard Home Services apart is their commitment to honesty and transparency. They don't ask for any upfront payment and only charge once the job is complete. Plus, they carry a hefty $2 million in general liability insurance, offering peace of mind to homeowners. The icing on the cake, they offer the best discounts in the industry, including a $10 per hour discount for seniors, veterans, active military, first responders, teachers, single moms, widows, and the physically or mentally challenged. In summary, choosing AboveBoard Home Services means choosing a company with an A+ BBB rating, a company that values transparency, a one-stop shop for all your home repair and remodeling needs, and a company that truly cares about its community. So why wait? Give AboveBoard Home Services a call today and experience the difference for yourself.